foothills of the Himalayas, where the morning mist reveals.
Here you go, sir. Enjoy the biryani.
As you can see, the long grains on the left are
The foothills of the Himalayas, where the morning mist reveals endless terraces of vibrant green.
Notice how the heat rises in its bent center and circulates down the sides. The red arrows illustrate the process of convection. Heated water rises, cools. As you can see, the long grains on the left are uniform and intact. The broken pieces on the right, however, are fractured and irregular in shape.